Hello friends, this is Sai Frinder from SQL School, and the short demo session is about Oracle SQL PLSQL training sessions. We assure you complete practice oriented classes from scratch right from the basics. Before we step into our course details on Oracle SQL, what is database? It's a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, fully secured. And there are two basic types of databases, OLTP databases to store live real-time data, and SQL developers will be involved in design and implementation of these OLTP databases. Other one, data warehouse database to store old historical data, inactive data like old temperatures, old stock market data, etc. Data engineers will be involved in design and implementation of this data warehouse. DBS, database administrators, will be responsible to manage both OLTP and data warehouse databases. Our PLSQL course is all about OLTP. Oracle is a database management system, DBMS, to manage, monitor, maintain everything on database. We make use of DBMS. One such DBMS brand from Oracle that supports big data, powerful security, quick data operations, versatile features, faster updates, and supports cloud platform. Oracle is mainly used in real world for banking sector, insurance, healthcare, e-commerce, and retail sector, and many more. Now, our Oracle PLSQL classes will be very much helpful for Oracle SQL developers, database testers, database engineers, data analysts, data scientists, business analysts, and BI developers, business intelligence developers. What we learn in our Oracle PLSQL course? Well, the list is really long. To cut short, to make it concise, in short, we'll start with Unix and Linux commands, then slowly step into SQL, environment, installation concepts, architecture, detailed architecture for our day-to-day job work, database and table activities, static and dynamic, DML, DDL, and DQL statements, various or various types of SQL statements, something called TCL, DCL, and other SQL statements for our job work, table space, data files, tables, nested tables, segments, and import-export management activities, bulk loads, transactions, and log management concepts, RDBMS and constraints, joins, group by, self-referencing, self-joins, and procedures with parameters, updatable views, functions, user-defined and system predefined functions, variables, collections, programming structures, and triggers, exception handling and event handling concepts, polymorphism, arrays, transactions, query blocking, and system commands and use. Finally, in our Oracle PLSQL classes, we have a nice project for our resume with simple to complex coding activities. So the main objectives of this course: development, design, understanding the database structures, queries required for analysts and engineers, end-to-end project and resume. At our SQL school, we deal with all types of database technologies, exclusively database technologies, Microsoft, Azure, Oracle, and Python for data science and data analysts. Come on, attend one or two live classes, involve in our demo sessions, interact with our trainers, understand your requirements, get clarifications for your resume and job requirements, and we'll take it from there. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. See you soon in our actual live classes. Thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.